Minister wa migunda Farida Karonei niwe uma mugeni wa gitio igongona-ini ria gutuga cukuru iria ikoragwo rungu rwa urugamiriru wa kanitha wa Gatoreki. Igongona riu rikihutia cukuru icio iria iri rungu rwa diocese ya Murang'a. Kurumirira kuongerereka kwa njama cia gwitemerwo kwa migunda ya cukuru cia muingi, minister nieranire ati gugikinya muthia wa mwaka uyu cukuru ciothe cia muingi igukorwo ihetwo title deeds cia migunda yacio.
Our intention is by the end of this year to have titled the bulk of them. A few have paid courses, others have issues between the church and the government, but those we shall resolve.
Ona igongona-ini riri ria gutuga thukuru, ndereti ya ungumania ndinaga kugwetwo, muthikabu akiuria atongoria angi a kanitha kurega muhothi na iheo ingi iria ithukumitwo na njira cia ngukumio.
All those who are in corruption be netted and be prosecuted.
So wale wanaiba pesa ya umma sasa hata kufanywa live imprisonment itakuwa sasa possible kwa majaji wetu kwa sababu tumeondoa hiyo wido.
Ministry ya githomo yuritio yambiririe mathomo ma guthomithia arutwo ugwati uria ungicungiririo ni ungumania. Ngiribotera Inooro TV kuma kaunti ya Murang'a, ritwa riakwa ni Victor Kenothia.